Missed call alerts not showing on your iPhone? In 60 seconds, I'll show 3 quick fixes. First, check notifications. Open Settings, tap Notifications, then Phone. Make sure Allow Notifications is on, and choose Lock Screen, Notification Center, and Banners. Set banner style to persistent so alerts stay visible. Next, check Do Not Disturb and Focus modes. Open Focus and turn off any active focus. Also disable Schedule Do Not Disturb and allow repeated calls if needed. If that didn't work, check Sounds and Haptics. Ensure ringtone and silent settings are correct. Confirm vibration and change with buttons or set how you prefer. Update iOS and restart your iPhone to clear temporary issues. Reset network settings if calls or notifications still fail. Note this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords. As a last resort, backup and reset all settings or contact Apple support. Quick recap: notifications, focus, sounds, update and restart. These steps fix most missed call alerts.